Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to zoom text in PowerPoint. Sometimes you need to quickly emphasize text during a live presentation. PowerPoint offers a built-in magnifier tool for this. Simply enter slideshow mode, then click the magnifying glass icon in the lower left corner. A rectangle will appear. Drag it over the text you want to enlarge. Click your mouse to zoom in, and click again or press the escape key to zoom back out. It's a handy, on-the-fly way to draw attention to key details. For a more controlled and pre-planned text zoom, use the grow or shrink animation. First, select the text box you wish to animate. Go to the Animations tab on the ribbon and choose the grow/shrink effect. You can then customize the effect options, setting the size to a custom percentage, like 150%, and adjusting the duration to, say, 1 or 2 seconds. This creates a smooth, dynamic zoom that you can trigger during your presentation. PowerPoint's slide zoom feature is excellent for focusing on text by linking to a separate, detailed slide. Create a new slide containing only the text you want to highlight, perhaps with a larger font size. Then, on your main slide, go to the Insert tab, click Zoom, and select Slide Zoom. Choose your dedicated text slide. Remember to check Return to Zoom in the Zoom tab so you can easily jump back to your original slide after emphasizing the text. To make your text zooms truly effective, remember a few best practices. Use zoom effects purposefully, perhaps for 1 or 2 key points per slide, to avoid overwhelming your audience. Always ensure the text remains clear and readable at its zoomed size, testing it in presentation mode. Consider combining zoom with a subtle fade or a quick pan for a more cinematic feel, enhancing your message without distraction. These tips will help you create impactful text zooms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.